Hello, my name is Andrea Ross. I'm the founder of Women in Recruitment Asia and the Career Establishment, which is a training and coaching company. Now, the reason for this video is just to give you a step-by-step guide on if you're interested to be a WERA mentor and what you need to do on that. So I'm going to kind of navigate around the WERA website for you so that you know exactly what to do, that you can start being enrolled on a mentoring program as soon as possible. So bear with me while I just share my screen. First thing you need to do is head to the Women in Recruitment Asia website, so www.womeninrecruitmentasia.com. And as you can see, you'll have your first page and you'll just need to jump into WERA Mentors. Now, you'll need to check with your superior as to whether you're allowed to be mentored by an agency recruiter mentor or a corporate mentor. That's the first thing you need to do. And then what you'll need to do is pick 3 mentors that you want to help supercharge your career. Now, it's split into 2 with the mentors. It's agency mentors, which are typically recruitment leaders within the region, and there are corporate mentors, which are people from big corporates. They could be HR, they could be line managers, and so you'll need to pick 3 people. So as you can see, we've got a whole load of them. I think we're around 80 or so mentors at the moment, so we're really, really grateful that people have put their hand up to be a mentor for Women in Recruitment Asia. When you've picked your 3, as you can see, there are a lot to be looking at. There are your corporate ones, and they're sort of growing day by day. What you'll need to do is head to the form, so jump into form and select your 3. Put your name in here and select your 3 and press submit. When you do that, that will come to the WERA team, and we will then just let you know that we've received it. We'll double check your if those 3 people are still available and whether they're your first, second, third choice. And then we will let your superior know that we have received that application. Just double check that they're still okay with that. So we want to make sure that we do all those kind of checks. Then what we will do is we will introduce you to your mentor. And it's from there that you will then organise your first meeting. It will be virtual, so please don't assume you're going to be seeing them face to face. You know, they are giving you an hour of their time every month, up to from 3 to 6 months. And then what we'd ask you to do is jump into the individual development plan, and that's just really a template to kind of clarify your goals, what you want to get out of that program, and you can then send it, if you wish, to your mentor, or you can talk through it with them when you see them. And there's some sort of guides on how to make those that plan SMART goals. So that's kind of the first thing. Okay. After you've done that, let me just go back into what I was doing. Okay. Then what you'll do, I'm going to stop share for a sec. Then what you would do is from there organise your monthly meetings. It's up to you to be responding to them, to organising, sending Zoom links or Microsoft Teams links to the mentor. What we would say is just be really mindful that that mentor is doing a day-to-day job just like you. So for them to give you your time, please be respectful of that. Give them enough time if you're having to cancel, but also if you've committed to actions after that mentor session, just really be accountable for that, so that when you next catch up with them, you're able to kind of talk through that you've achieved that, or at least you're on that path. Because when you're mentoring someone, it's really good to be, to have that person that is willing to kind of, accept the goals that they're putting forward to themselves. So, be 100% committed to that mentoring program. So we're really excited for you. We will be in touch with you all throughout that program. So register today and supercharge your career. And we're really excited to get that ball rolling for you. Good luck with everything.